Welcome, parents and instructors, to the Road to Reading. This course was made for English as second language learners who are just being introduced to the English language. In order to ease beginning readers into learning, the course has been divided into three distinct parts: alphabet, phonics, and story time. This map will navigate you through each step that should be followed in order from 1 to 3. First, let's begin with the alphabet section. This section begins with the alphabet song, which your young learner should practice singing along to. You then move on to each individual letter sound, which helps to launch phonemic awareness, which is the awareness of individual letter sounds. There are additional videos and digital resources provided that reinforce these essential phonemic awareness skills. Once your young learner has had enough practice with letter sounds, you may assess their progress with this fun and interactive letter sounds quiz. If further practice is needed, take a look at these resources. Now, let's move on to the next step, which is phonics. This section puts your learners' letter awareness skills to the test and introduces the concept of CVC words, which are consonant, vowel, consonant words. It encompasses the following fundamental skills: initial sounds, rhyming, blending, and segmenting. We first begin with blending, which involves the pulling together of letter sounds into distinct groups of rhyming words. Then we practice our segmenting skills, which involves the pulling apart of letter sounds. Additional digital resources and games have been included to reinforce these skills. You may then test your young learner on these skills with the provided phonemic awareness test. Now we end with our last section, the story time section. Storytime allows your young reader to practically apply their skills with fun and simple phonics-based stories. Stories should first be read aloud, then guide your learner through the second reading. End by letting your reader take the reins. Scroll to the bottom to find a summative progress evaluation rubric that can be easily used by both parents and instructors to evaluate readers' progress. You may find additional resources here and here that further reinforce these practical skills. All right, now let's get reading.